Relay Radio over IP by Eyona Software Development. Built for control rooms running two-way radio. Install the Relay device with your two-way radio, set your frequency, and your radio is on the network, reaching the control room over IP. Every radio channel live on one screen, idle, transmitting, or recording. The operations dashboard unifies fleet health, channels, and live activity. Dispatchers push to talk from the browser, beside the transmission log, waveforms, and bridge health. A live feed streams recordings, heartbeats, and events as they happen. One switch rethemes the whole app, dark for the ops room, light for the office, fully branded. Tenant settings, branding, and access control in one place. And a complete audit trail, every recording access logged, who, what, when. Relay, where your radios meet your control room. Find us at eyonasoftware.co.za.